Hi guys! So today's video, we will do unpacking myself. So let's start. I'm Christian C. Arales, and the first thing that we will unpack is my physical self. First is my height. My height is 5'4" or 164 cm. I have fair skin tone or moreno. I have usual eyes and nose like other Asian people. And my weight is 45 kilograms. My fashion style were influenced by Korean culture because I watch K-drama a lot, and that's all for my physical self. Next is sexual self. I was born on October 7, 2002, and my gender identity or my primary sex is male. I also educate myself to give deep understanding in my sexual self through watching Netflix series like Sex Education. Next one is my material self. Like other teenagers, I love buying fancy clothes, shoes, and other stuff I saw online. I really love spending even though it's my parents' money. That's why I'm limiting myself and transforming from human having to human being. Spiritual self. I am natural born Roman Catholic. I am not quite religious person, and there's one thing I differ from other Catholics, is that I don't believe in worshipping statue. But there's one thing I am sure, I respect all the religions. Down to the last one is my political self. I really don't like taking part in the politics, especially when my perspective is different from my peers. It feels like it creates a diversion, so I remain neutral. But if I saw something not good in the government, I let my voice out. Kaya sa darating na halalang 2022, halina't bumoto para sa ating pagbabago. And lastly, my digital self. When I use gadgets to surf, I always remind myself to become a MIL, or Media Information Literate, because it can save me from the risk of the internet. And as much as I can, I limit my personal information from the social media that I use.